Wrapping up this week's post-Brexit global market and Africa business news is Africa 54's business correspondent Jill Malandrino reporting from the NASDAQ headquarters in New York.
From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jill Malandrino. Most of the post-Brexit equity sell-off has now been erased to close out the month of June and the first half of 2016. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is coming off of 3 consecutive days of 200-plus point gains. For the month, the Dow rose 0.8%, the S&P gained 0.1%, and the NASDAQ's behind, losing 2.1%. Markets were once again boosted by central bank easing talk. African markets recovered as well, as indicated by the VanEck Vectors Africa ETF, ticker symbol AFK. This is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the GDP Africa Index, which is up 4.25% since the Brexit vote. Let's take a look at what's making headlines on the continent. Nigeria's Niger State plans to seek bondholders' approval next month to restructure its 21 billion naira, or 74 million US worth of debt, its advisor said on Thursday, as it seeks ways to ease strains caused by a plunge in crucial oil revenue. On July 28th, Niger will meet with bondholders to approve an extension to its 5-year debt due in 2018 to 2023 and an increase from the coupon 14% to 16%. Nigeria's stock market is becoming the most interesting one on the African continent to foreign investors after the country devalued its currency, said Mark Mobius of Templeton Emerging Markets Group. Templeton has around $700 million US in assets under management in its dedicated Africa fund, which has its biggest holdings in Egypt, Nigeria, and South Africa. It was just announced this morning that Nigeria has signed oil and gas infrastructure agreements worth $80 billion US with Chinese companies, the state oil company said. Kenyan growth picked up in the first quarter of 2016, helped by improved performance across the economy and especially tourism, the Statistics Office said on Thursday. The economy is estimated to have maintained the growth momentum that started during the second quarter of 2015, the Bureau said. The most notable improvement was a rebound in activities of accommodation and food services. From the NASDAQ market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino for Africa 54.